Aloha. This is the sixth and final segment of getting organized. It's called End of the Day Cleanup. And basically, it's cleaning and putting all of your tools away. Usually, pick a time near the end of the day. I choose 3 o'clock because I start drinking beer at 4 o'clock, and it usually takes me about an hour to clean up. Anyway, I have to park my car on this side of the garage. My wife's SUV goes, well, at least the tires go on where that orange line is. And so I clean up my tools, I put them away, but I have to remember at around 6 o'clock I get a second wind. So even as skinny as I am, once our car is parked, I can't get to my toolbox. So I have to plan ahead and pull out the tools I'm gonna need, put them on my workbench so that I'll be able to work after the cars are parked in the garage. Anyway, just something to think about. It's good to have a routine to clean up, get everything put back in its place, and you're ready for the next day. Anyway, I hope this series taught some people something, and I hope some people got something good out of it and it wasn't too boring. Aloha and stay safe.